In this video we will be replacing the battery from a 2012 Nissan Altima key fob. Some other Nissan models such as Maxima and Murano uses the same key design. We will need a regular CR2032 battery that is readily available everywhere. I have included a link below for the battery. The only tool that is needed for this task is a small flathead screwdriver. The first step is to remove the mechanical key by pushing the release tab on side of casing and pulling out the key. Next, separate the shell using the screwdriver. There are two small slots on both sides here. Put the screwdriver in the slots and gently twist it. Gently pry open the case. Next, take out the battery out of its slot using the small screwdriver. The battery is CR2032. There are markings on the case that specify the battery type and the direction of battery. The negative sign here indicates that the negative side of the battery remains on top. Get a fresh battery and push the battery into the slot. Again, the positive side is on bottom. The last step is to put the two halves back and gently squeeze them in place. Finally, put the mechanical key back. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.